Hi guys, you're here today with Josh from Complete Campers Southwest, and today I'm going to show you the 2016 Auto-Sleepers Stanway. So let's get into it. Here we have the absolutely stunning Auto-Sleepers Stanway. As we go around the van, I'll let you know of anything that you might not see, might not know about, or might not be aware of on this specific camper van. But as always, check out the website. On there you'll find a full breakdown of everything this one's got on it, and you'll also find many more pictures as well. So as we come around to the driver's side of the vehicle, you've got your refillable gas point there. That's dead easy, you can unscrew that and fill your underslung gas tanks up. You've got your hookup point here, water filler point here, then you've got an external TV aerial point just there, and then over here you've got your exhaust trimmer heating system. Let's go and have a look inside. So as you come inside, just down here, that's where you can check your gas levels for your underslung tank. You've got a nice handy little USB point here. So if you want to charge your phone and you've got it stuck to the window, you've not got a wire dragging across the dash. You've got your steering wheel with all your steering wheel controls. You've got cruise control on there as well. Over here you've got all your infotainment system. You've got your standard radio. You've got aircon on this one as well. So again, everything that you're going to need for those trips away. And just up there, that's your screen for your reversing camera, which we will get to in a minute. As we come around to the rear, we've got the bar doors open nice and wide. So you've got a little window that's above your sink inside. At the top, just up there, is your reversing camera. You have got a tow bar and electric point there. You've got your toilet cassette locker here. All your gas isolators are inside this cupboard here, and then your boilers inside that one there. Again, all nice and easy. They're not hidden away under a seat. You can get to them, and they're dead straightforward. As we come around to the habitation side, you'll notice that we've got a lovely 2-layer Omnistore wind-out awning. That's going to be great when the weather's like it is today. You can get that one out and make the most of that outside space. Over here, you've got an external barbecue point. So again, if you wanted to cook outside, make sure that awning's away, and then away you go. You can get cracking and get cooking. You've got an electric step just there. That one's really easy. Press the button, that one will come straight out to you. Makes getting in and out of the van nice and easy. Bodywork wise on this one is actually immaculate all the way around. But let's go and have a look inside. So this one is a 2-berth with 4 mounted seats. So you've got a passenger that swivels, and then you've got your other seats here. So 2 belts in the front, and then you've got 2 belts which are just here on that seat there. You've got a lovely little dinette conversion that converts into your bed here. Really straightforward, nice and easy. And you've got loads of storage above there as well. As we come towards the rear of the van, again you've got additional storage. You've got your fridge and freezer here. A Thetford fridge and freezer, really good size, perfect for going on those longer trips. And you've got a really nice kitchen area in the back of this one. You've got a 3-burner gas hob and you're having a grill. You've got a sink with your hot and your cold running water. Up above, you've got additional cupboards, and you've got a microwave, which is going to be perfect for those quick and easy meals. And as with most of the Auto-Sleepers, you've even got your Waco coffee maker here as well. What more can you be looking for? Inside this sliding door here, this is your toilet and shower. And again, it's a really nice size, this one. And everything that you're going to need. You've got storage in here, little vanity cupboard. And your shower is up there. There I am. And there's your sink. So we'll close this one back up. Inside this door here, you've got a wardrobe. And you can prop this door open just down here. And then down here, got your light switch. So again, if you're like me and need to do your makeup in the morning, there's no better place to be doing so. You can have everything stored away nice and neat. Again, really nice little extra on this van. So we'll shut this one back up. And again, just pop them closed. Above the door, you've got your heating controls. So as I said, it's a Truma heating system and a hot water system. You have also got an additional diesel heater, so you can choose which fuel you want to run it on. Over here, you've got your Auto-Sleepers control panel. On here, you can turn your water pump on, lights, outside lights, and check your levels inside the van as well. All in all, this van is in great condition inside and out, and it's ready for its new owners to take it on its next adventure. It's worth noting that any vehicle that's purchased through Complete Campers Southwest, we supply a nationwide mechanical and habitation warranty on every single vehicle that's purchased through us. We also offer finance options and part exchange options on every vehicle as well. Don't forget to check us out on our social medias. We've got Facebook, YouTube, etc. On there, you'll be able to see any new and exciting news that we've got to share with you, but also any new vehicles that we've got coming into stock. My name's Josh, and this is the 2016 Auto-Sleepers Stanway. Thanks for watching.